We're gonna do what we call helicopter choke. So from here, what I want to do, reach in between the knee and the elbow, grab the lapel open. From here, I take the hand by the head, reach under the chin, and grab the lapel. Now what I want to do, this hand comes out, pulse on the back, keeping my pressure, and my leg by the hip is gonna step all the way over as I throw myself to this side, like so. While hooking the arm, from here, my arm is deep, grab behind my head, my legs cross, pulling the arm and pulling my legs at the same time for the tap.